Sanibonani nonke. Igama lami nguDavid Jenkins kodwa abanye abantu bangibeziqatasi. Hebe! Hebe!
As we all know, the nominees are Collington Naidombo, Kuligani Madondo, Goodman Stimbiso Dlamini. Before we announce the winner, I just want everybody to give our MC for the evening a big round of applause. It was amazing. What a guy, what a suit, what a tie. And also Mr. O'Connor here, who's done very well. His Zulu has improved. This evening before he came here, I heard him say to his wife, "Hebe," and his wife was like, "What?" He said, "Now I'm saying, hey babe." Ladies and gentlemen, the play of the year. Stimbiso Dlamini! Hello!